Good day, everyone. We are Group 2, and we are here to discuss about installing and configuring computer system. So first, the topics that we are going to discuss are first, importance in updating operating system, second, to update Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10 operating system, and third, what is antivirus, which has three branches. Why do I need antivirus software? What does antivirus software do? And what are the benefits of anti-software? So here are our members, and under their names is their part in this presentation. First, Kalaranchi T. Makiling will be discussing importance in updating operating system. Joanna Merton Pineferio will also be discussing importance in updating operating system. Kurt Katan, who will be discussing to update Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10 operating systems. Adrian Badlaan, who will also be discussing to update Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10 operating system. Sarah Jane Makiling will be discussing why do I need antivirus software. Celeste Therese P. Aday will be discussing what does antivirus software do. And Miel Gwen C. Villar, who will be discussing what are the benefits of antivirus software.
So the first thing on the list of the importance in updating operating systems is that software updates do a lot of things. Software updates repair security holes that have been discovered and fixing or removing computer bugs. These can also add new features to your devices and remove outdated ones. But make sure your operating system is running the latest version. So as we may know, software updates can do a lot of things to our computer or device. Specifically good things. It can fix or remove computer bugs which are probably slowing down your computer. These can also add new features to your devices and remove outdated ones to make sure that you are using your devices at its best. But before you can have that benefit, you also have to make sure that your operating systems are running at its latest version so that you can get these benefits for your devices.
The second one, and the importance of updating operating systems, is updates help patch security flaws. Security flaws or software vulnerabilities is a security hole or weakness found in a software program or operating system. Hackers can write codes or alter the software program to target the vulnerability. The code is packaged into malware called malicious software. It can possibly infect your computer with no action on your part other than viewing a rogue website, opening a compromised message, or playing infected media. The malware can then steal your data saved on your device or allow attacker to gain control over your computer and encrypt your files. To avoid this problem, you need software updates, which often include software patches that cover these security holes to keep hackers out. This simply explains that in updating your operating system, it can remove and patch security flaws or problems in the software so that it can stop hackers from taking advantage of the software vulnerabilities.
So the third one is that software updates help protect your data. Updating your software and operating systems help keep hackers out. A lot of documents and personal information are usually kept on your devices, like your personally identifiable information, from emails to bank account information. These data are valuable to cybercriminals, for they can use it to commit crimes in your name or sell it on the dark web to enable others to commit crimes. If it's a ransomware attack, they might encrypt your data and ask you to pay a ransom for an encryption key to get it back, or you might pay a ransom and not get it back. So, another benefit of updating your software and operating systems is that it can help protect your data or your personal information, such as emails and bank account information, which are extremely valuable to you. It can also prevent a ransomware attack or any attacks from hackers that might lead to the theft of your personal information.
Fourth one is stop spreading to another device. Cybersecurity is mostly about you, but you've got other people to think about too. Install a trusted security program such as Norton 360 TM, which can help keep your devices secure so that you could not be a source of virus, which you can possibly pass on to your family, friends, and business associates. But it's also important to know that antivirus protection isn't enough to protect your devices against all cyber threats. That's why you want to keep your software and systems updated. So, with updating your software, you can not only protect yourself, but those people around you. Because we all know how damaging and fast spreading viruses can be. With continuously updating your software, you can prevent yourself from being the source of the viruses that can potentially be passed to the people you interact with.
So the last one is that software updates add new features and improve existing ones. Updates patch security holes and add new features and improve existing ones. Your software program may get a new shot of stability. No more crashing. You could ignore those reminders to update your software, but you might be missing out on a lot, starting with your cybersecurity. So the last, we can say, benefit in updating your operating systems is that it can add new features and improve existing ones to your device. It doesn't only add new features, but it also stabilizes your device and avoid crashing. You could ignore those reminders to update your device or your software, but I think you might be missing out on a lot, not just with the new features and improved existing ones, but with your extra cybersecurity. Those are the reasons or the importance in updating your operating systems. I hope that everyone has learned a lesson to update their operating systems and not ignore those reminders to update their devices.
So in the next slide, these are the steps to update Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10 operating system. So the first step is number 1. Open Windows Update by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner. In the search box, type Update, and then in the list of results, click either Windows Update or Check for Updates. Second step, click the Check for Updates button and then wait while Windows look for the latest updates of your computer. Step 3. If you see a message telling you that important updates are available or telling you to review important updates, click the message to view and select important updates to download or install.
So next is step 4. So in the list, click the important updates for more information and select the checkbox for any updates that you want to install and then click OK. So of course, after that, you need to update that you want to install and then click OK. So the next is step 5. So in the step 5, click install update. So after that, you need to click install updates and for more info.
But take note,
It is important that you want to don't shut your computer down or allow it to run out of battery during the update process to avoid corruption of the operating system, which can often only be fixed by reformatting the computer.
if you are experiencing issues updating your computer, please review this Windows Update Troubleshooting Guide from Microsoft. For
For
information
information
on
of
Microsoft
Microsoft
Windows
Windows
automatic
automatic
updates,
updates,
visit
visit
Microsoft
Microsoft
Update
Update
site.
site.
And now, let me explain my part. What is antivirus software? Antivirus software is a program or set of programs that are designed to search for, detect, prevent, and remove computer viruses and other malicious software such as worms, trojans, adware, and more. So, antivirus software, based on my understanding, is like a digital guardian for your computer. It works by scanning your system to detect and remove harmful software, such as viruses that could harm your files or compromise your privacy. So, it is important na having a security system specifically tailored to safeguard your computer from cyber threats. So the next one is, why do I need antivirus software? A computer without antivirus software protection will be infected within minutes of connecting to the internet. These antivirus software are critical for users to have installed and updated to deal with more than 60,000 new pieces of malware created daily. Hackers are targeting remote workers. Viruses can be programmed to cause damage to your computer, prevent a user from accessing data, or to take control of your computer. Today's malware changes appearance quickly to avoid detection by older definition-based antivirus software. So, you need antivirus software because without it, your computer becomes susceptible to infections as soon as it connects to the internet. With over 60,000 new malware pieces created daily, having up-to-date antivirus protection is crucial. Hackers, especially targeting remote workers, can deploy viruses programmed to damage your device, block access to data, or seize control of your computer. And moreover, modern malware rapidly changes its appearance to evade detection by older antivirus programs, underscoring the necessity for robust antivirus software. So that's it.
What does antivirus software do? Several different companies build antivirus software, and what each offer can vary but all perform some essential function. 1. Scan specific files or directories for any malware or known malicious pattern. 2. Schedule scans to automatically run for you. 3. Initiate a scan of a particular file or your entire computer or of a CD or flash drive at any time. 4. Remove any malicious code detected. Sometimes you will be notified of an infection and ask if you want to clean the file. Other programs will automatically do this behind the scene. 5. Show you the health of your computer.
So, what are the benefits of antivirus software? Antivirus solutions protect precious memories, music and photo libraries, and important documents from destruction by malware. Make sure your protection is up to the challenge of defending against the latest threats. Modern antivirus solutions are capable of number 1, detecting, blocking, and removing viruses, malware, and ransomware. Number 2, preventing identity theft and block phishing and fraud. Number 3, warning about dangerous websites and links before you click. Number 4, scanning the dark web to find if an email address has been compromised. Number 5, keeping online accounts protected with secure password encryption. Number 6, providing simple training to teach you and your family how to be even safer online. Last but not the least, tuning up your computer to keep it running smoothly, just like a new computer.
That's it. That ends our presentation about installing and configuring computer system. I hope that you did learn something and you gained some knowledge and insights about this specific topic.